What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying, and today's video, guys, is about DraftKings on the stock side as well as the option side. So listen, man, I need you guys to really get ready to stick this one all the way through, as we got many things to talk about as it relates to DraftKings. But listen, without further ado, let's get ready to take a look at my portfolio. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe and join us on the journey to 100K subscribers if I helped you in any way. Okay, guys, on the road to 100K, we have finally crossed the 75,000 marker. We're up 1.2% today, and it took us to $76,128.75 on the road to 100K, guys. Listen, man, today overall has been flat. I've been sitting at 75 all day, but obviously at the time of this recording, the market has jumped up at least 1%. You guys see 1% is equivalent to almost $1,000 when you have a account or a portfolio this size. So listen, I'm not mad. I'm trying to get closer and closer to 100K, and I'm trying to show you guys how to do it by investing the right way. Listen, guys, today it's all about DraftKings. I'm going to talk to you first about the investment side, and then make sure you stick all the way through, because I got to talk to you about our call option with DraftKings for today as well. Ticker symbol DKNG. DraftKings is currently sitting at $41.57. Listen, on the investment side, guys, you already know I'm going to put us in plays to always hit home runs. We're going to double, triple, and quadruple our money. This is a buy zone. So at $40, $39, $37, $38, that's a buy zone for us, okay? So it's very close to that. So those of you that need to have this as part of your portfolio, again, look at $40. It's been trading sideways at that price all day today, all day yesterday. It's just now hitting 41. So listen, if you can get it at 40, do so and start your position there. If you catch it lower for some reason, 39, 37, 38, 35 even, definitely scoop it up there. And if you ever catch this in the $30 range, because that's a gap up that it has to recover, definitely buy more DraftKings at $35 to $30, okay? Check this out, guys. I'm currently sitting at 110 shares. My average cost is $35.69. So like I just told you, I too will be buying more if it goes to 35 or 30, okay? And that's how we're going to do this, guys. I know where this stock is going. I know it's going to dominate. I already did everything that you need to do to know that, okay? You just got to get your position established. If you can't get 35, I want you guys to consider 40. If you can't get 40, please consider 37, 38, and 39. Those are our entry points for this play, okay? And then we hold it and let it do what it do. So listen, guys, DraftKings is something I want you to get in right now. It's trading in a buy zone, okay? It's trading in a buy zone for if you rock with me, all right? I'm going to take you guys to the promised land. You guys just got to make sure you add the right plays into your portfolio. Now for the call option side of this, you already know, guys, I talked to you earlier in the week, Sunday, and I've been giving guidance all week that we had two option plays. We're going to do one put option and one call option. Now I'm kicking myself just a little bit, to be honest, because there's many call options out there that we could have chose outside of DraftKings, but being a man of my word, I said we was going to do plug and DraftKings this week, so I'm going to stick to that. However, open your screen up, open your brokerage account, hit trade with me, and then hit trade options, guys. I need to show you guys something so that you can understand fully what's about to take place. We choosing the November 13th expiration date as part of our one-day play. Guys, please note that as a part of a one-day play, you can sell out soon as you execute the contract. You don't have to wait no amount of time. If your play shoots up and you make a bunch of money, cash out right then and there. You don't have to hold it to the expiration date. You don't have to hold it till Friday. You don't have to hold it till tomorrow if you're making money. If you're not making money yet, then you can hold it till tomorrow, or you can hold it till Friday, okay? So don't let the dates throw you off. The market just makes you choose an expiration date for the sake of us learning and taking chances and winning together. I just choose the expiration date, guys, but that doesn't mean you gotta sell it on that date. You can sell it the minute you are up $200, $300, $400. You go ahead and take your profits, okay? So I want to make that quick note. But listen, with DraftKings, this play has been trading sideways all day today, as well as all day yesterday. And as a result, it is not giving me anything. You want the stock to talk to you. And DraftKings just not hollering at your boy right now, okay? I need DraftKings to give me a sign, meaning if it would have been at $38 instead of 41, I could have told us to buy it at 38, knowing that it was going to hit 41. Today and yesterday, it's been at 40 all day. This is lucky right now that it's at 41. And so therefore, guys, I would be remiss if I put you guys in a play that there's too much uncertainty around, because the stock is just not giving us anything, okay? So I want you to look at these prices. If we was to do an in the money call, you have 173 at the $42 strike price. If we went below that at the 41, you would be paying $200. And listen, it's just not worth any of that at these particular price points when the stock isn't doing nothing. Like I told you, I studied this for a long time. It's been sitting at $40, and so 40 is not 42, 40 is not 43, and so there's no reason for me to put you guys in a $200, $300 play that's not moving. However, it might give me more information after the market close or early morning tomorrow, in which if it does, I'm gonna come back on here and tell you guys, hey, all right, I know the strike price we need to get this one at if we want to hit a home run. Guys, do this, and this. You already know, man, we in it to win it together. I'm gonna walk alongside each and every one of you, but again, I refuse to just have you making a call option for the sake of making a call option. I hope you guys can respect that. Again, we're in it to make money, not to take frivolous losses. Up next, guys, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is priced in. Listen, I know that you guys see certain stocks and you guys see the run-ups that they have. However, it's important to understand whether it's Neo, whether it's DraftKings, sometimes the prices are an indication that the news, the good news, if you will, has already been priced in. And so when the stock is priced in, for instance, I'm talking about Neo, and I'm gonna do a video later on tonight that I need you guys to make sure you watch tonight on Neo. But let's thinking about Neo, for instance, for this example, okay? It's already at $41 and they have earnings next week. It is very, very likely that the good news for this play could be priced in already. I'm just going to give you guys the game because you guys are my subscribers and part of the family. Neo can go to $43 or $44, and the high for next layer or leg up would be 45, but it's not going to go higher than 45 right now. Okay, all of that could be priced in though, and so I don't want you guys to get caught up in thinking that you gotta have a fear of missing out. You can catch this, like I told you, at 40. If you was looking closer today, you could have caught it at 38. Some of you guys think that Neo won't come down, but you already know if you rock with me, we don't chase stocks, and you don't have to chase any play. I don't care what it is, okay? And I'm just using this as an example. I can go through the whole stock market and show you every stock that already has the good news priced in and why it won't move higher. But I just wanted to give that one to you because you know that's one of the plays we talk about on this channel. But listen, priced in is simply put, the good news, the upward movement is priced in, and that can be true for downward movement as well, okay? Sometimes that's called a bottom. If a stock has hit a bottom, that means there is not going to go no further down and only can go up from that point. Sometimes if the good news is priced in, I'm using Peloton as an instance. Peloton has hit the 130, 139 range, and that's all the good news that it can take being priced in. And from there, it can't go no higher. So you go look at where Peloton at today to validate what I'm trying to teach you guys. But listen, guys, that's the word priced in. Let me know if you guys need me to go deeper on that. But regardless, add that to your book of knowledge, put that in your back pocket. And listen, guys, up next we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Eric Cobb. He says, hey Chris, sending positive energy from Fort Lauderdale. Bought my first stock in October for my birthday. Shortly after, I stumbled across your page and a few others. You've been a great help thus far. I've been obsessed with this thing since you put your drip on the game. I'm trying to get good at this investing thing, but I'm having trouble with these charts. I get it though. My real question is this. I'm looking at a few ETFs And what's your full take on these, and do you get involved? Eric, man, I thank you so much for sending this comment and question in, okay? And absolutely, guys, I am a big ETF guy, and I encourage you, if you rock with me, to consider ETFs as well. Individual stocks is one part of the game. ETFs and mutual funds and index funds is another, okay? And listen, those of you that don't have time, I saw some of you miss the plug play, for instance, because you said stuff like, man, I was in a work meeting, I was doing this, I was teaching a class. Listen, guys, if you are super busy, which is normal for 90% of Americans, okay? If you're super busy, then it's okay to invest in an ETF. An ETF is nothing more than a basket of stocks with all your favorite stocks sitting in it. And so therefore, you don't have to watch the market. You can be working, spending time with your kids, teaching classes, serving others, whatever it is you do, okay? And then you don't have to worry about that. And so some of the ETFs I like is everything with Kathy Woods and ARK, okay? So ARK, that's the main core letters, and then whether it's K, Q, or what have you, okay? All of those are good in my opinion. I also like VTI and VOO. I also like VYM, write these down, and VYMI, okay? Those are some of the best ETFs that will set you up for life. We call it set it and forget it. You can put $10,000 in it and don't ever go back and look at it again, and then it just grow, and grow. You can leave a corporate plantation and go live your life. That's the power of ETFs. However, once you get your ETFs established, like I do, I used to start off with the ETFs, then I moved to individual stocks. Once you get it established, then you can get in the habit of, oh man, I like Apple. I don't want the whole bucket. I just want Apple. Or I like Microsoft, or I like Tesla. And then you can invest in those individually, enjoy the success of the run-ups that each of those individual companies will have, separate from it being part of a larger group. So yes, I like ETFs, Eric, and I do recommend and prescribe everybody to always have at least one or two ETFs that you invest in. Listen, guys, if you have comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.